Welcome to the Happy Hookers Crochet Club. On this channel we talk about all things crochet related, from learning how to crochet for beginners, cute tutorials, how to turn your hobby into a small business, and so much more. Today I'll be helping you decide which crochet hook may be best for you, whether you're a beginner or improver. Crochet hooks come in a variety of sizes and materials. The material is a personal preference, but the hook size determines the size of stitch you'll be creating. Most yarns will have a recommended hook size on the label to help you choose. Now, let's talk about the different material types. Bamboo is the most eco-friendly option for crochet hooks. They usually have a smooth coating, which I find a little bit too slippery for the smaller hooks, so I usually buy them in more chunky sizes. They're easy to crochet with, also have a thumb rest, and are better for the environment. This one is an extreme 19mm crochet hook. It's very long and great for projects like big chunky scarves, cardigans, or home textile makes like blankets and cushions. The tip is pointed, which makes it really easy to get into big chunky loops. Plastic hooks are the cheapest and most accessible. They're available in most craft shops and great for beginners. They're smooth, very lightweight, and there's usually a thumb rest to make them more comfortable to use for longer projects. I recommend them for beginners because you can easily buy them in a few different sizes without any price commitment whilst you're learning to crochet. Then as you go on, you can play around with different material choices if you like. Metal hooks are slightly heavier than plastic ones. I find that the weight makes them feel more solid and enjoyable to crochet with than plastic. This one has a thumb rest to make it more comfortable for longer projects. They come in a variety of sizes and colours, which is really handy to find the right size that you need. It's much easier than fishing around a bag of like grey plastic crochet hooks. They're very cool to the touch, which I like, but some people may be put off by. Because I crochet for work and play, my favourite crochet hook style is the aluminium with the rubber handle. They're a good weight which helps me control my stitch, and the rubber handle is very easy and comfortable to use. I crochet on a daily basis, so it's very important to me to look after my hands. The colour coding makes it really easy for me to find a hook size, and they come in a variety of sizes. Hooks like 2mm are really great for thread crochet, so like really intricate, detailed work. If you're joining the Happy Hookers Club, I recommend using a 4.5mm hook and DK yarn. This is great for seeing your stitches and getting used to it. I'll add some links in the description box below for places where you can buy hooks here in the UK. You can find them in most large shops with yarn and needlecraft sections like Hobbycraft or John Lewis. You could also go into Etsy, eBay or Amazon, or into your local craft shop and maybe even your charity shops. If you've made it to the end of the video, leave a yarn emoji and let me know which is your favourite hook type. In the next video, I'll be starting a beginner's crochet course, so get your materials ready and I'll see you soon. Bye!